Hello guys, welcome to Random Boosters. Today we'll be opening Pokemon X and Y Breakthrough Pack and a Pokemon Black and White Legendary Treasures. Okay, first things first, Pokemon Breakthrough, let's check it out. Here's the first code, guys. You whoever wants it. Okay. Okay. Cyndaquil, Hippopotamus, Cubone, Elgyem, is that what it says? Elgyem, Pansage, Super Rod, Reverse Hollow, Behemoth, Quivlava, Wobbuffet, and Noivern. Rare. Okay. Let's do this pack. I don't know how this pack goes, but here's this code right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Maybe. See, I don't know, for some reason, guys. See, when it was the very first Pokemon back in '99, that's when I started collecting the original Pokemon. See, when it was darker in the back, I could tell that it was a holo for some reason, and I was always right. I don't know if I'm correct. I don't know if everybody has a different theory or what, but that was always mine. Okay, Magikarp, Krogogoon, Solosis. Oh, I see something awesome thing back, guys. Piplup. Oh wow, a rare Hydrogen. I don't know what that is. I'm new to this one, guys. Oh wow, a red Toxicroak. Wow, it's crazy, guys. Oh my god. A Carlia, Duinshon, Railu, and Milletta EX Ultra Rare. Wow, guys, look at that. 3 rares in one pack. Look at that, guys. One pack. 3 rares in one pack. That is awesome. Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.